Okay, so I'm going to show you a way to stabilize your Adho Mukha Vrksasana or full arm balance using two chairs. If you are in a class setting, you don't need two chairs for every person. You just need one extra chair because you can share the chairs. You need to put the chairs against the wall and just keep a gap for the head in between the chairs. And you place your hands just below your shoulders such that the upper arms are supported by the edge of the seat of the chair. Okay, and you get ready, you can release your head and then you jump up and you go all the way to the wall. Very nice. I'll also do, okay, so the chairs are supporting my upper arms and I go up. And then you can also, because the upper arms are so stable, you can remove your feet from the wall and learn to balance. Okay, you don't need the wall actually, the wall is just supporting the chairs. And then you can also try variations like Ekapada. And the other leg. So one heel on the wall and also Parshva, because the upper arms are very stable. And going down and staying in Uttanasana before you go up.
To get more contents from me, you can visit my site, eyalshifroni.com. On the online courses page, you can purchase in-depth courses. In my books page, you can get information about my books, and in classes and workshops, there is information about my workshops around the world. There are many other things, free resources, and in my blog I write interesting articles about the philosophy and the practice of yoga. Welcome!